Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. My name is Yatish and welcome back to my channel Clickaroo Vlogs. Today's video is not about any outdoor travels or any destination that I am going to cover, but yet it is related to travel. How it is, I am just going to unreveal that. So recently I have received this amazing parcel from Travel Buddy team. Thanks Travel Buddy team for sending me this. I'll just tell you what all things are in it and how you can get this at your doorstep as well. Okay, so it has, first thing it has is this cute little diary which has a monthly planner and blank pages to write down your notes, take down your notes whenever you are traveling somewhere. I am going to use it for my next trip for sure and write down the content that I can create later on even after finishing my trip. So this is one thing which you should carry along. Second thing in the box is Travel Buddy branded pen, and you just have to taste it and you can start using it. It's not like any ordinary pen which has a cap. This is a capless pen. Otherwise what happens whenever we are on travel, we tend to lose the cap of the pen, but with this concept you will not lose the cap of your pen and can use it for a longer duration. Okay, so next thing in the box is this very cute little airtight mug which you can carry along and pour your hot water, coffee, tea. Even on the off-road driving you can use it. It will not spill over, your liquid will stay intact in this. So this is also one of the very useful, I'll say, a component when you are traveling. Last but not the least is this flask bottle from Travel Buddy. It has traveling is easy with a buddy, which is absolutely right saying here. Traveling is easy with a buddy. Alright, so what's benefit of this, how it looks like. This is a very cute bottle, flask. It is made up of stainless steel, and good thing is it comes with the temperature indicator on it. So whenever you can read the temperature on top of the bottle. Only thing is it is not microwave safe. You don't have to put it, you don't put it in microwave, or you cannot use it in a dishwasher as well. Reason being, it contains a battery inside it which can damage your bottle. So use it very carefully, but yes, again a very essential thing when you are traveling. So once again, thanks Travel Buddy team for sending me this amazing parcel, which indeed a very essential and useful thing I am going to use in my next trip for sure. एंड अगर आप लोगों को भी ये वीडियो पसंद आ रहा हो, एक ट्रैवल किट पसंद आई हो, तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, कमेंट ज़रूर कर लें और शेयर करें अपने सभी ट्रैवल बडी से. ये किट आपको भी मिल सकती है. कैसे मिल सकती है उसके लिए आपको वीडियो पूरा एंड तक देखना पड़ेगा. आई टेल यू द स्टेप्स हाउ यू कैन गेट दिस travel kit at your doorstep. So before jumping into the section how you can get this travel kit at your doorstep, I would like to talk a little about what is Travel Buddy app, what are the benefits of it, how you can log in and register for this app. Travel Buddy is a made in India app which is a crowdsourced platform of expertise which are known as travel buddies. These travel buddies are willing to show their travel experiences, their photographs of any unexplored places across the globe. Travel Buddy application can help you in finding a local expertise of the destination that you are going to travel. So you can find a buddy in that location and ask the questions about that location prior to planning your trip or prior to landing to that destination. So it can definitely help in planning your next trip in a very managed way. So it is world's first social travel platform which is D2C market enabled, means direct to customer. There is no middleman in between. You can just post your query, you can post your picture, you can ask questions to your travel buddies or any local expertise of the region that you want to know about. So you can download the Travel Buddy app from the link mentioned in the description. Just tap to that link, you will directly redirect to the Play Store or App Store, and you can definitely download your Travel Buddy app on your mobile devices. So once you log in, there are certain tabs like Global tab, Local tab, Feed tab, Contest. So you can participate in the contest as well. Running in every month, they are running a contest for the audience. So you can, I'll request you to definitely take a part on those contests, and you can win some amazing prizes as well. So let us now talk about the benefits of this travel buddy app. As per my experience, there are three main benefits of the app. First is you can find a local expertise of the city that you are traveling to. You don't know about anything about that city, you can just search any person or local influencer or ambassador of that city and ask questions from him if you want to know anything about that unknown place. Second thing is you can find a group of people or like-minded people to travel with you. If you are a solo travel, you can find a buddy who can travel with you. Just post your thing that you are going to travel. If anybody is available or want to join with you, they can join via app. You can just chat with that person and you can exchange the thoughts and make a group out of these solo travelers. Third thing is if you are a service provider, travel service provider, you can build your own online shop here. You don't have to open a shop basically. You can sell your services on this application without paying any commission to any middleman, because this is a direct to customer platform. So as I mentioned earlier, this application is available in both Android and iOS platform. You can download from the link given below, and this application uses few intelligent algorithms to match the results based on your geographical locations, your interest, and the travel data that you post or you search. So one more thing I will like to share and talk about is this Travel Buddy Pro card. What exactly it is? It is nothing just like a ATM card you can carry on in your wallet. So what exactly is Travel Buddy Pro card? See, it's mentioned here, Travel Buddy Pro. How you can get it? What are the benefit of this Pro card? I'll just tell you in this video. You just stay tuned till end. I have to tell you one more thing, how you can get the Travel Buddy kit as well. So this Travel Buddy Pro is exclusively reward cum loyalty card. It gives you access to various benefits from our partners which are associated with the Travel Buddy. You can use this card to get some amazing deals and discount from those partners. There are certain lists which are associated with the Travel Buddy. To name few of the partners which are already associated with Travel Buddy are End Money, Trip Thrills, the Bike Hotel Retreat, and many more. You can, if you have this Travel Buddy Pro card with you, you can use this card to get some amazing deals and discounts with these partners whenever you travel to their property. So one question again might be hitting your head is how you can get this Travel Buddy Pro card as well. So it's very easy. Again, you just have to buy a subscription premium membership of Travel Buddy for 1 year and you will get this card for free. The estimated cost of this premium membership on Travel Buddy app is 6,000 rupees for an year, but currently some offers are going on. You can get this Travel Buddy card and the premium membership at rupees 3,000 only. One more good thing about this Travel Buddy Pro card is it is not having any expiry date, means it is a lifetime valid card. You can use it any time of your life whenever you are traveling. Okay, so अब बात करते हैं how you can get this travel kit from Travel Buddy team. So there are certain contests and campaigns going on Travel Buddy app where you can participate and get this travel kit for you. As of now, these contests are for the local influencer programs only, but certainly these are going to be open for the Travel Buddy, all the users across the globe as well soon. And if a local influencer is hosting a meetup at your location in your city, you can find that in your Travel Buddy app meetup tab itself, where you can find who is the local influencer at your location, at your city, who is arranging a meetup. Do participate and go in those meetup. You can win certain prizes as well. Maybe some kit is also waiting for you there. Hope you liked today's video. It was not about the travel but everything about the travel, right? So do hit like button, subscribe to the channel if you are landing here the very first time. I'll just show you the magic. There is a red button under this video. Just click it. It will definitely turn into gray. That's small thing yet you have to do. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep traveling, keep exploring.